Hey, what is up guys, welcome to Tech. Today we are going to see about the Infinix Hot S3. Before getting into the review, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the red color subscribe button. Let's see the basic specification of Infinix Hot S3. It has a display of 5.6-inch 1080p HD IPS LCD screen. It has a battery of 4000 mAh. The processor of this phone is Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor chipset. It has a processor clock cycle of 1.4 GHz. It has a dual nano SIM capability. Moving to the memory section, it has two variants. One comes with a 64 GB internal and it has a 4 GB of RAM. The other variant comes with a 32 GB of internal storage with 3 GB of RAM. It is expandable up to 128 GB. It has a dedicated memory card slot. Coming to the camera section, the rear camera has a 13 megapixel with LED flash. The front camera has 20 megapixel with front flash. Infinix Hot S3 runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. Let's see the basic sensor which the phone comes with. It has a fingerprint sensor, accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, compass sensor and a hall sensor. The phone comes with a notification LED light. The phone weighs around 150 grams.